Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, and in this video I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from my Disneyland Clothes page kit number 106. You can find a link to pick up this kit in the description below. There's a little arrow on the right to see more of the description. If you don't see it there, just click on that and you'll find the link to pick up this kit. Okay, so I'm going to get started. I've got all the pieces laid out here. I will be using my Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive by the Art Glitter brand, and I will be using the fine metal tip. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and glue this large piece down first. This is a fast drying glue, so because this is a large piece, I need to work quickly. And I'm just trying to keep approximately 1/8 of an inch away from the edges so the glue doesn't ooze out when I stick it down. Okay. And there is going to be 1/8 of an inch border all the way around. So you just want to center it on here. The nice thing about the liquid glue is you have a second or two of wiggle room time to kind of get it into place. But like I said, it does dry quickly, so you have to work kind of fast to get it down. Okay. So there's that piece. Okay, now these other pieces, the decorative paper of the castle prints, we're going to be layering them. So we need to ink the edges. I'm going to wipe off my glue tip and my pin. I'm going to place this back in because I don't want it to clog up on me while I'm inking. I will be using the black ink pad from Graphic 45 Color Box. Decades. I don't know if that's the name of the color or just the name of the, oh, I think the color is Photogenic. So that's what I'm using, but any black ink pad will be fine. Okay, and I'm using the Tim Holtz Dopper and the sponge. I'm just going to go around the edges here. Just quickly. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to give a little bit of that shadow effect, so when we layer the pieces you can see the different layers. This particular one actually doesn't have any layers on top, but I want to make it all look the same since the other pieces will be inked. It's a little bit harder getting in here, but that's okay. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get a little bit of ink on there. Okay, so that's going to lay right there. I'm going to just set that aside while I ink these other pieces. You'll be able to find the other paper piecings from this page kit on my YouTube channel as well. So if you pick up the kit and want to sit down and put it together with me, you can do that. a little bit harder getting in between here. It's okay. It just kind of creates a little shadow. Kind of see? The ink just gives it kind of that shadowy effect. I apologize. I think I was off camera there for a little bit. Kind of get in my zone there. I'm not thinking. Okay, try to stay over here more. Hopefully you can see me better there. Almost done. I'm on the last piece now for inking, and we'll start gluing. Okay, so I have, actually I'm going to just sweep a little bit. Sometimes when you ink, little particles of the sponge come off, and I don't want that to smear on anything. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down because that's going to be quick and easy, and then I can set that aside. This is one of my favorite papers to use. It has sky on one side and the bricks on the other, and I've used it so many times in so many different projects. Both sides are just awesome. So I'm sure you've seen them. If you've seen my other projects, I'm sure you've seen this paper used quite a few times. Oh. All right, so you have a nice 1/8 inch border all the way around. Just center it there. There we go, that looks good. Okay. That does not go on here. That goes on a different page. So this does not get glued to this. This actually goes on the left side. So I'm just going to set that aside. We're done with that. Okay, so these, I recommend laying these out. When you get your kit, go ahead and open these, take everything out. And these 3 pieces get glued on first. Now it does make a difference the order that you glue these pieces on because of how the layering is going to look and how they're going to overlap. So I've got it in order bottom to top. So these 3 pieces we want to glue down first. So let's go ahead and do that now. And you're just lining it up with the edge, with the corner there, pressing it down, making sure it's good, secure. Okay, let's go with the next one. Okay, these are just lining it up at the top with the edge of the blue cardstock. Okay, and this one. Again, line it up with the corner of the blue cardstock. Okay, you'll notice that the edges come out beyond the point here, if that makes any sense. So this piece is going to go right on top of your see. It's going to cover it where it hangs out a little more. And that gives it that kind of dimensional look. And actually, if you would like to add foam squares under here, you could really give it even more dimension. I don't think I'm going to do that though. I'm not going to do that though, but you could. And that would actually look really cool too. You could give it some extra dimension. And then these two pieces will go on top of that, and you could do even like double pop-ups if you'd like. But you see how we needed that inked edge to really see the lines. Otherwise, the bricks would just blend together and it just wouldn't look as good. It wouldn't give it that dimensional effect. It's like I so bad want to pop it up, but I know we don't need to. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down. So you're going to line it up with the bottom edge here, but also the edge of the blue cardstock up here on the sides. So bottom edge of the blue and sides edges of the blue. Okay, now this one. Make sure you have this the right direction. So this would be upside down. You see the window? You want the straight edge on the bottom, and that will be the right side up. Very important. Otherwise, your window's upside down. Okay, I'm lining it up with the bottom edge of the blue and the side edges of the blue. Excuse me. Okay, this is going to go right on top here. Again, you can use those dimensional foam squares, foam tape, if you'd like. And last piece. Okay. Oh, looks very cool. I love it. Okay, so there it is. I'll give you a closer look. It is so big, it doesn't really all fit in the camera. There we go. Okay, so those are the two pieces. Again, this is from Disneyland Clothes Page Kit number 106. If you'd like to pick up this kit, please check the description below. There's a link to my Etsy shop where you can pick up this kit along with many other fun projects. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button if you have, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and click on that bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.